ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच यथा विनियतं चित्तम् आत्मन्येवावतिष्ठते निःस्पृहः सर्वकामेभ्यः युक्त इत्युच्यते तथा। युक्त इत्युच्यते तदा। 18th श्लोका, 6th chapter. ध्यान योगम निदिध्यासनम आत्म संयम योगम. The inward meditation and outward meditation, Bhagavan Krishna keeps talking about all those things in this particular. Actually, the previous sloka, Bhagavan Krishna completed the disciplines one should follow. In this particularly sloka, what exactly says, one who have controlled, balanced body, mind, intellect and hridayam, no emotion too, who have control on body, mind, intellect, body, mind complex and intellect and hridayam related emotion, no emotion also, and focus, controlling of internal and external senses and concentrating their mind, concentrating the one's mind into complete focused on the meditation, on the contemplation, on the nididhyasana of Parabrahma Swarupam. By default, automatically, if he can control all the sense and if he can focus on the Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam, and if he starts doing the meditation, he will be distracted from worldly desires. Nothing will affect him. Put it another way around. One who sincerely, with all control, with 100% concentration, focused mind, if he meditate on Parabrahma Swarupam, he will be detached from all worldly affairs, all worldly desires. Then he is the best yogi, yuktaha. He attained that Parabrahma Swarupam. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. So what you supposed to do? You have to have a controlled and balanced body-mind complex. Physical, psychological, emotional, all. With that, you should not have any desires on anything. Worldly desires. With these qualifications, if you sit and do meditation with 100% concentration, you will become a best yogi. You will certainly attain that knowledge. For you, the dhyana yogam, meditation, nididhyasanam, the Parabrahma Paramananda Swarupam will certainly on the way. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 19th sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.